Hello students. Students, let us solve more questions of tangent and normals. Find the equation of normal to the curve x square equal to 4y which passes through the point 1, 2. We have to find the equation of normal, student. Curve equation is given to us, and it is also given that normal is passes through 1, 2. So student, this is the curve. This is the point. This is tangent, student, and this is normal at this point x1, y1, and normal is passing through 1, 2. Okay, student. So we have written here, let the point x1, y1 on the curve at which normal is drawn passes through 1, 2. Okay, normal passes through 1, 2. So first of all, we have to find the coordinate of x1, y1 to get the equation of normal. Okay. So we have supposed the point x1, y1. So this point lies on the curve. So this point will satisfy the equation of curve. So we are going to put x1, y1 in the equation of curve at the place of x and y. So when we put x1 at the place of x, it will become x1 square equals to, at the place of y we have to write y1, 4y1. So this is the equation 1. Now again the equation of curve we have to write and differentiating both sides with respect to x. So x differentiation is 2x, 4 derivative of y dy by dx. So dy by dx equals to 2x upon 4. So dy by dx equals to x upon 2. Student, we have to find the value of dy by dx, means slope of tangent at the point x1, y1. So let us find out dy by dx value at the point x1, y1. So at the place of x we can write x1. So dy by dx at the point x1, y1 equals to x1 upon 2. This is the slope of tangent at the point x1, y1. We need slope of normal, student. Slope of normal equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx. So minus 1 upon dy by dx value x1 upon 2. Then it will become minus 2 upon x1. So student, this is the slope of the normal. So let us find the equation of normal. Equation of normal, y minus y1 equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx, x minus x1. So minus 1 upon dy by dx value is this. Okay. And we don't know the coordinate of the point. Okay. So y minus y1 equals to this value minus 2 upon x1 and x minus x1. Okay, students. Student, remember 1, 2 is not the value of x1, y1. Generally, it have seen that the student, they are taken the value of x1, y1 is 1 and 2. Student, the normal is passing through this. Okay. We have to find the equation of normal at this point. So don't be confused. Okay. So at the place of x1 we have to write x1, at the place of y1 we have to write y1. This is the equation of normal. Now student, it is passing through 1, 2. So when any line is there which is passing through any points, so that will be the value of x and y. So at the place of x we can write 1 and at the place of y we can write 2. So putting x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in the equation, then it will become 2 minus y1 equals to minus 2 upon x1, 1 minus x1. Now students, we have to find the relation between x1 and y1 by this equation. So let us do cross multiplication. X1 into 2. 2x1 minus x1 y1 equals to minus 2 plus 2x1. When we open the brackets, sign will be changed. So 2x1 and 2x1 both have same sign and both are on opposite side, so both will be cancelled. Minus minus also cancelled. Then y1 equals to 2 upon x1. Okay student, this is the equation number 2 and this is equation number 1 student. So we are going to put value of y1 from 2 in 1 so that we can get the value of x1. So putting value of y1 from 2 in 1, so x1 square equal to 4 into 2 upon x1. Here we have to put student. So x1 square equals to 4 upon 4 into 2 upon x1. So x1 cube equals to 8. x1 equal to cube root 8 equals to 2. So we have got the value of x1. Now we are going to put value of x1 in equation number 2. So when we put value of x1 in 2, then value of y1 equals to 1. y1 equals to 2 upon 2 equals to 1. So student, we have got the coordinate of this point x1, y1. So always remember student, when the equation of tangent or normal passes through any point, then it will be not the value of x1, y1. We have to find out the value of x1, y1 by making the equation. Now student, we have to put the value of x1, y1 in the equation 3 to get the equation of normal. So y1 value y1 equals to minus 2 upon 2 x minus 2. So y minus 1 equals to minus x plus 2. Minus x will transfer this side, become positive x plus y equal to 2 plus 1, x plus y equal to 3. So this is the equation of normal. So this is the equation of normal student, which is passes through 1 comma 2. Now student, let us solve one more question. Show that the curves x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angles if 8k square equals to 1. So now student, how can we solve? There are two curves. Let us, these are two curves. One curve is this, one curve is this. Both intersect here at A and both intersect at right angles. So their tangent will also intersect at right angle. Okay student. So first of all, we have to find the intersecting point of these two curves. Student, you know very well, if we need the coordinate of point of intersection of two lines, then we have to solve both of them. Similarly here also students, these are two curves. To get the point of intersection, we have to solve both of them. So we are going to put value of x from 1 into. So at the place of x, we can add y square. So it will become y square into y equal to k, y cube equals to k. So y equals to k to the power 1 by 3 means cube root of k. Now we have got the value of y student. This value of y we are going to put in equation number 1. When we put here in equation number 1, it will become x equals to k to the power 1 by 3 whole square means x equal to k to the power 2 by 3. Okay students. So this is the value of x and y means both curve intersect at the point k to the power 2 by 3 comma k to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Now student, we have to find out slope of tangents of both of them. To get the slope of tangent, we have to differentiate these equations to find out dy by dx. So this is the equation 1 student, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So 1 equals to 2y dy by dx, then dy by dx equals to 1 upon 2y. So now student, we have to find out dy by dx at the point where both curve intersect each other. So k to the power 2 by 3 and k to the power 1 by 3. Here we have to put the value of y. Value of y is k to the power 1 by 3. So dy by dx at the point k to the power 2 by 3 comma k to the power 1 by 3 equals to 1 upon 2 k to the power 1 by 3. So this is the slope of first tangent. Okay, student. So let us suppose it as m1. This is the slope of first tangent to the curve. Now the second curve equation is this, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So we have to use here product law. First term we have to write as it is, differentiation of second, plus second term we have to write as it is, differentiation of first. So x differentiation will be 1 here. So students, dy by dx equals to minus y upon x. So this is the derivative of equation number 2. Okay, student. Now student, we have to find the derivative of equation number 2 at the point k to the power 2 by 3 and k to the power 1 by 3. Because both curve intersect at this point. That's why. So we are going to put value of y k to the power 1 by 3 and value of x k to the power 2 by 3. So dy by dx at the point this equals to minus k to the power 1 by 3 upon k to the power 2 by 3. This is the value of slope of tangent of equation number 2. So this is the tangent. Okay, so its slope is this. So let us suppose it as m2. m2 equals to minus k to the power 1 by 3 upon k to the power 2 by 3. So now student, which is given to us, both curve intersect each other at right angles. So it means both tangent will also intersect at right angles. So m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. So putting value of m1 m2 from equation number 3 and 4. This is equation number 3, this is equation number 4, student. At the place of m1 we will write 1 upon 2 k to the power 1 by 3, and the place of m2 we have to write minus k to the power 1 by 3 upon k to the power 2 by 3. So k to the power 1 by 3, k to the power 1 by 3 will be cancelled. This minus sign will be cancelled. So it will be 1 upon 2 k to the power 2 by 3 equals to 1. So 1 equals to 2 k to the power 2 by 3. Cubing both sides. To remove this cube root, so when we do cubing both sides, it will be 1 cube equals to 2 k to the power 2 by 3 cube. So 1 equals to 2 cube equals to 8, and 3 will be cancelled, student, here. So it will become k square. So 1 equals to 8k square, and this we have to prove, student. Okay, students.